Hi everybody, welcome to the video open house for 58396 East Clear Lake Road on Clear Lake. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to give you a little idea of what this house looks like on the outside first. As you can see, this is a cottage style bungalow and it was built in 1992. The offer price on this home is $270,000. That is amazing, folks, to be right on Clear Lake, 70 feet of frontage. It is not a high bank here. A lot of the homes on East Clear Lake Road are high bank properties where there is no parking. This is a low bank property, plenty of parking. You could probably park 5 or 6 cars easily here, and even some probably additional cars. You'll notice to my left here, folks, there's even an additional carport, so if you have a boat or water toys that you need to store, great place to do that. This home, again, was built in 1992. Recently, the main floor was pretty much all redone, and you're going to see that in just a few minutes. But first, let's take a look at the outside. This has a partially wrapped deck, so it comes up the side, and then it's a full deck on the lake side for entertaining. There's also a slider off the eating area, so you can extend your dining experience onto the lake if you want to. Great place to have a party. As I said, there's 70 feet of frontage here. The house comes with the pier. However, folks, the beautiful boats you see out here are not going to stay with the house. Those belong to the homeowner. Okay, so we're getting out to the front side of the house here, and we'll get you a look at that here in just a second. Take you right up to the deck here, or the pier, excuse me. Beautiful view of Clear Lake, and it's a gorgeous day. We're going into our 4th of July vacation time here, folks, and you can see it's very quiet. It's morning here, it's very quiet on the lake. Gives you a good idea of what this lake would be like to live on. Okay, folks, we're going to head back up toward the house, and don't forget the list price on this is $270,000. That is an awesome price. You don't want to miss this. It's probably going to go fast. Let's go up and see what we can see on the outside, and then we're going to head inside and let you see that. Another shot of the deck here, folks, that you can see. It's all set up for grilling, partying. See that slider that comes off the back side that I told you about. You can almost see yourself sitting here with a couple margaritas on a hot summer day, and it is hot out here today, folks. I'm not complaining though. We've had a pretty cold spring and summer so far. Okay, we're about to go in the house here. We're going to let you see what it looks like. It's 2 levels, main floor and then a smaller upper level. Come on in, join me. Okay, now we're inside of 58396 East Clear Lake Road, and I'm going to show you around a little bit. This is the entry hall off the side of the home. You saw that when we were entering. This has a nice laundry all set up for you. The washer and dryer will stay. And just over here is a utility closet. Folks, that's a brand new Goodman furnace in there. That is spanking brand new, so you'll be all set. It's got a brand new air conditioner, so again, no problems there. And woo, today we need it. It feels really good in here. Okay, so right off the laundry, there's one of the bedrooms you're going to find on the main floor. The floors have been redone. That's a nice gray laminate. Looks really nice for a lake home, and it's very easy to maintain. That laminate runs through the entire main floor, so easy cleanup if you've got friends and family over coming off the lake. One of the nice features of the home right now is a bathroom that has been completely updated, and that was just done this year. And it's got a skylight, folks, too. I want to point that out. There you go. All right, so right next to the bathroom is a large bedroom, one of the 2 bedrooms on the main floor. Again, that laminate is running through this bedroom. This room has been freshly painted and new trim along the baseboards. Now we're going to take a look through a hallway here at the main living area, which has the money shot. There's our lake. So this is kind of an open concept situation. You've got your living area, your dining area, and your kitchen all in an area where you can see the lake. So it doesn't matter if you're cooking breakfast or making snacks for the family, you're never too far away from the Clear Lake frontage here. And that kitchen, folks, again, another nice feature of this home, has just been redone. All the appliances that you see here will stay with the home. If you do take a tour of the home and you see something you want, talk to your realtor about that. I'm hoping that'll be me or Lynn Crouse, and you'll see our contact information following this segment. But many of the furnishings you see today will stay with the home if you'd like them. Otherwise, the sellers will take them out. Get another quick shot of our lake before we head upstairs. Again, that slider that leads to that comfy little deck out there where you can have your breakfasts or a margarita. Okay, I'm going to let you go upstairs and you're going to visit with Lynn Crouse from Century 21 Affiliated. She's going to show you the upstairs.
All right, I'm going to show you the upper level of this Clear Lake home. We've got a loft area here that could offer additional bedroom space, ample closet space with a beautiful view of the lake, a deck overlooking the property. Okay, we have a half bath here and another full bedroom with great bunk bed space and great closet space here.
Okay, folks, that wraps up our video open house of 58396 East Clear Lake Road. Thank you so much for joining us today.